In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Deliveroo for the first time, specifically focusing on Deliveroo Italy. We'll be walking through the process step by step, so if you've ever wondered how to get started, you're in the right place. Let's begin by opening your web browser. You'll want to navigate to Deliveroo's official careers page. Simply type in careers.deliveroo.co.uk into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the home page where you can explore various career opportunities with Deliveroo. Once you're on the page, look to the top right corner and you'll see the menu option. Tap on that to expose more options. After the menu expands, there should be an option labelled Find a Job. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a page where you can begin your job search journey. Now it's time to personalise this search to find opportunities in Italy. Look for the filter icon, which will help you narrow down the options. Tapping on this icon will allow you to sort through the jobs based on location. Go ahead and select the location filter option. Next, scroll through the list of locations until you find Italy. Select Italy as your desired work location. This will now present you only with job openings available in Italy, making your search much more focused and relevant to your needs. As you delve into the list of job openings, scroll down to explore the opportunities available. This list will provide you with various positions that Deliveroo is hiring for in Italy. Take your time to read through the descriptions until you find a role that catches your interest. If you find a position that you think is a perfect fit, tap on that job listing. From there you'll see the Apply Now button. Click on that link to begin your application process. You'll need to fill out some information and submit your resume, so be prepared with these details. After you've applied, patience is key. Wait for a call or email from Deliveroo inviting you for an interview. It's normal for this step to take some time, so don't worry if there's a bit of a wait. While you're waiting, keep preparing for potential interview questions and researching more about Deliveroo to increase your chances of impressing during the interview. If you're selected for the job, congratulations. The next steps will involve completing necessary training sessions and going through document verifications. Deliveroo will guide you through this process to ensure that you have everything you need to start working confidently and successfully. And there you have it. We've gone through the entire process of applying to work with Deliveroo in Italy from start to finish. I hope this guide has made the application process clearer for you. Good luck with your job application, and thanks for watching.